Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. We've got some more parts here. I'm trying to finish this Jedi fighter, so I'm gonna take this piece and this piece like this. I'm gonna put it together like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna go there with it, like that. Then I'm going to take one of these and one of these and put it like that. And then I've got to take this piece and put it here. Take this piece and put it. Oh, okay, so seem to have forgotten one. Let's see if I can find it. I have parts here that I get from the bags. Oh, maybe. Oh, cool. Got it. Right here in front of me. Alright. So, I'm going to put this here. Like that. Oop. Okay. Put that together like that. And this is going to go like this. Actually, yep, like that. There we go. Yep, just like that. So I'm building the Jedi ship now, just to let you know. And you know, we're gonna keep going and keep building, and hopefully it won't take me forever, but I'm gonna get the rest of this page and then I'll get the next page, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.